this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video, very simple tutorial. I'm gonna show you how you can change address of your Amazon account where you want the product should be shipped. In this case, it's very important. If you change your address, if you are moving to one country to another, please change that before you could have problem. So we go to Google Chrome in this case, and I will go to my Amazon. Here we go. So at the corner you see deliver to particular address. It should be checked where you have and where you want the shipment. If you click this one, you can see all the address. Here you see manage address book, one option. Check, you can by clicking you can change the address, the default address of your account. Also you can hit manage address book. So if you click address book, it will take you directly to this page where you can modify and change your address. The first one you see default Amazon address, or also you have another option here. If you put here what is your name up here, hello something something, there hello John for example. You have account option, hit this one. In the account at the bottom here you see ordering and shopping preferences, your address, hit this one. And you can add a new address or change whatever you want. Hit add address and put your name, phone number, city, zip code as you have done before. That will return back here and that will be your principal address. It's very simple and easy tutorial guys. I hope you not have any problem at all. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, boy.